Hello friends, this is Priyanka Malik. Welcome back to my channel Prizone Kalakari. So today's video will be on bookmark creativity. So let's start the video. We'll be doing three kind of bookmarks today. For the first one, you need this kind of a thick paper. You can use any magazine or a calendar paper as well. I have taken this from the Amul cheese packet. Now if you have any colored one and if you want a white background, you can glue it to any white paper. I generally use the A4 sized sheet, but this is already white in color, so I don't need to do that, and this is a little thick. Now I wanted this kind of a shape, so I just cut it out and made this kind of a shape for my bookmark, and I also punched a hole in the same so that later we can put a string through it. I'm making a design using this ruler and a black marker. You can also use a pen. I'll be coloring it with some crayons. You can also use sketch pens or acrylic colors or watercolors or whatever you want. You can make any design you like. I always say this that your designs come from your heart, right? You don't have to learn anything when it comes to design. So I wanted it something like this, so I just made a few lines like these, and later I would color these parts one by one. So guys, like I said earlier, you can use any colors you want, whatever are available in this lockdown at your place, you can use them. Now I'm taking this color first and filling it up. Then later I'll be taking this orange color and filling up this part. Again, you can use only 2 or 3 colors as well. You can use all different colors for all the different shapes over here. You can make it your own way. So guys, also do make these kind of bookmarks, and you can also share it with me on my Instagram account. You can message me on my Instagram account. I will put the link in the description box, and I'll surely reply to your messages. So yeah, now I am coloring it blue over here. Generally in these kind of designs, a white background plays a very important role. Your colors are highlighted very nicely on that. So for these kind of designs, I always prefer having a white background. Filling the last part here with a brown colored crayon. It looks very cute. Now I have this kind of a string available, so I will just loop it here. You can use a satin ribbon as well. I had this string, I don't have a satin ribbon as of now. And our first bookmark is ready. Let's now proceed towards the second one. For the second one, you need this kind of a cardboard piece. Thinner than that. So I have used this. I have colored it red with my acrylic colors, and I have dried it for like 10 minutes. I'm leaving a little part there white because you can put something like this. I'm using this flower. You can put any kind of a flower, any kind of any small soft toy or any plastic toy available. I have colored it red. You can color it the way you want. You can either put some glitter on it, make some designs. I'm making some emoticons using this black marker. You can make any design using glitters as well. You have these glitter pens if you have those, or you can simply make any design you like on this. I wanted to make some emoticons on this. So generally this bookmark is made using ice cream stick. It becomes much more simpler, but currently I don't have one, so I'm using this trick. of using a cardboard sheet and cutting it into such strips for bookmarks. You can make many of these, right? You can make like infinite number of designs on these kind of bookmarks as well. Now I'll just stick my flower at this white part with I have a fabric glue, as you guys are aware in my, if you have seen my previous videos. I'm putting a little glue there and just pasting this flower. I have this kind of a base, so it becomes easier for it to get pasted. And our second kind of bookmark is ready too. You can use any color combinations you like, guys. I hope you like this one as well. Now let's gear up for the third bookmark, the easiest one. We need any kind of a lace. I had these two kind of laces available. You can take the full golden one, full silver one, any beaded one, whichever you like. I had these two available, so I'm using these. Out of this I have cut a small part, and the thick paper which I had used in the first bookmark, same paper I have cut out into such a strip, and it's very simple. You just need to glue both of them together and your bookmark is ready. It is very simple, but it looks very unique, and you can use any lace you want. Like I said earlier, golden, silver. I had these. I generally prefer these kind of laces for bookmarks. Again, I'm using the same fabric glue. You can use hot glue, you can use any strong glue so that it can stick properly to the lace. Apply it very nicely, spread it nicely so that it doesn't come out later. So I'll be putting this away. I cut off the excess using my scissors. Yeah, and this is how we do this one bookmark. So I have already made this kind of a bookmark. See, the other lace which I had, I've used cardboard, and these both bookmarks look wonderful. So now all my 3 bookmarks are ready. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Do let me know if you have any comments regarding this same on the comment section below, and like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you until the next video. Till then, goodbye and take care.